In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can blur a face in Photoshop. So let's jump into it. So what you first need to do is go to File in the top left hand corner, then go and click on Open, and then you can open your image and import it into Photoshop. Now once you've got it imported here, you want to look to the bottom right hand corner to the Layers section. You want to click on your image, then right click, then duplicate that layer. So click Duplicate Layer, then click OK, and now you should have a second copy of that layer. Now what you need to do is go to Filter, which is going to be at the top. Apologies if you can't see it, if my screen recorder doesn't show that far up, but it's on the top bar. Click Filter, and then you need to come down here and click Blur, or hover over Blur, and then click on Gaussian Blur. So once you've done that, it's then going to blur your image, and you need to decide how blurred you want it to be. Now obviously this is going to blur all of your image, but we're going to make it blur just the face in a second. So I'm going to choose about 52 or 44, and we're going to then click OK. Now once we've done that, we need to come down to the bottom right hand corner, and you need to go ahead and click on this icon here. So the one that's next or to the right of the FX icon, go ahead and click on that. Now that should open up a white layer mask. Now what you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and just make sure that your background color here is set to black. Now once this is set to black, click on this white rectangle, hold Control on your keyboard, click backspace, and that's going to remove the blur, and it should make this layer mask here black. Now you can go ahead and go to the brush tool, which is going to be this one here. Make sure you got the brush tool selected, and then if you go up to the brush tool properties up here, you can change the size of the brush. So just change it to the size of the brush, which covers kind of like most of the face, and put the hardness to about 36%. Now what you can do here, you can go ahead and then make sure that you've got white selected in the foreground, and then if you just press a couple of times, you will then blur out your face, and that's pretty much all you need to do. So that's how you can cover a specific section and blur a face in Photoshop. I hope that quick video did help you out.